C for cat who loves to play. Oh, big D for dog who runs all day. E for elephant, big and gray. F for fish that swims away. G for goat on the hill so high. Or H for hat we wear up high. A, B, C, D, sing with me. E, F, G, and H so free. Clap your hands, it's fun, you'll see. Learning letters happily. I for ice cream, cold and sweet. J for jumping with our feet. K for kite up in the sky. L for lion, hear him cry. M for monkey swinging around. N for nest the birds are found. O for orange, juicy and bright. P for penguin, black and white. I, J, K, L, come and play. M, N, O, and P today. Clap your hands and shout hooray. We're learning letters every day. Q for queen with a golden crown. R for rainbow all around. S for sun so warm and bright. T for train that rides at night. U for umbrella in the rain. V for violin playing again. W for whale so big and blue. X for xylophone's happy tune. Y for yellow, bright and fun. Z for zebra, now we're done. Q to Z, hooray, hooray. Now we've learned our A,